By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to format text in Coda to make your documents clearer, more organized, and far easier to read. Coda is a powerful all-in-one doc that blends documents, spreadsheets, and apps. So learning how to style your text properly is essential for creating professional-looking content that actually communicates your ideas. If you find this helpful, please like and subscribe, and let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to coda.io. You don't need to download anything because Coda runs entirely in the cloud. Once the page loads, sign into your Coda account using your preferred sign-in method. You can sign in with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, or you can create a new account with an email address. If you already have an account, just click sign in and follow the prompts. Once you're logged in, you'll see your workspace. This is your home base where all your documents live. Now open the document that contains the text you want to format. You can do this by clicking on the document title from your workspace dashboard, or if you have it open in a tab, just navigate to it. Inside the document, you'll see one or more pages along the left sidebar. Click on the specific page where the text you want to format is located. This is important because Coda documents can have many pages, so make sure you're in the right place before making any changes. Next, locate the exact text you want to modify. This could be a single word, a sentence, a heading, or even a whole paragraph. Once you've found it, click and drag your cursor across the text to highlight it. If you're selecting a single word, you can also double-click it to highlight it instantly. For a paragraph, triple-clicking is often faster. The key here is that Coda needs to know exactly which text you're targeting, so take a moment to make sure your selection is precise. As soon as you highlight the text, Coda will automatically display the formatting toolbar right near your selection, usually as a floating bar above or below the highlighted text. This is your command center for styling. If for some reason the toolbar doesn't appear, you can also access it by clicking the Format button in the toolbar at the top of the page. But the floating toolbar is the most convenient and fastest way to work. Now use the toolbar to apply the formatting you want. Let's walk through the most common options. First, there are the basic text styles: bold, italic, and underline. Bold is great for emphasizing key terms or headlines, while italic is best used for book titles, foreign words, or light emphasis. Underline is used less often in digital documents, but you can use it for hyperlinks or special notes. You'll also see options for text color and background highlight. Use color sparingly, maybe for a call-out or a status label, but avoid using bright colors for large blocks of text as it can strain the eyes. You can also change the font size and apply heading styles. Headings are one of the most powerful formatting tools you'll use. Coda lets you choose from several heading levels: heading 1, heading 2, and so on. These not only make your document look structured, but also help you create an automatic table of contents if you need one later. Finally, you can add hyperlinks by clicking the link icon in the toolbar. Just paste a URL or search for another page in your Coda document to link to it. This is incredibly useful for creating interactive documents that connect related ideas. As you apply each formatting option, you'll immediately see the changes reflected in your document. There's no need to click a save button or refresh the page. Coda updates everything in real time. This instant feedback is great because you can experiment freely without worrying about losing your work. If you don't like how something looks, just hit undo or select a different option until it feels right. Continue formatting additional sections until your entire page has the structure and emphasis you want. Maybe you'd like to add a heading at the top of each new section, bold the key takeaways, and italicize a few examples. Work through your document piece by piece and don't rush. Good formatting takes a little thought. After you've finished formatting, take a moment to review the entire page. Read through your document from top to bottom and make sure the styles are consistent and actually improve readability. One common pitfall is using too many different formatting styles. If everything is bold, nothing stands out. If you use every color of the rainbow, your document becomes distracting rather than organized. Aim for a clean, uniform look. For example, use just 1 or 2 heading levels. Keep your bold text to a minimum and stick to one accent color for highlights. This restraint is what makes a document look professional and be genuinely easier to scan. And here's the best part. Coda automatically saves your changes as you work. So every time you apply bold, change a color, or add a link, that update is saved instantly. You never need to click a save button or worry about losing your formatting. This seamless experience means you can focus entirely on making your content perfect without worrying about the technical side. So to recap, by following this tutorial, you've learned how to format text in Coda. From signing in, selecting your text, using the floating toolbar, and applying styles like bold, italics, headings, colors, and links. You now know how to create documents that are not only more professional, but also easier to read and navigate, especially when you're collaborating with a team. As a next step, I'd encourage you to practice by formatting a page you already have, or try creating a simple project tracker and use headings and bold to organize your tasks. If this tutorial helped you, please save this video for later or revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher. Happy formatting!